SPEC MIX, your national source for high-quality factory-produced cementitious products and safe, efficient silo delivery systems for the construction industry. This is SPEC MIX every time. Our products are architecturally beautiful, easy to use, and engineered to last. The SPEC MIX Silo Delivery Systems Overview. SPEC MIX silo systems are specifically designed to reduce labor cost and maximize the efficiency of any size masonry crew. When coupled with our pre-blended performance products, the complete system is a perfect solution to total quality control and optimal productivity, which drives a contractor's profitability. With the SPEC MIX silo system, making money on a project is easy. To cut mixing times by 50%, simply put a SPEC MIX silo on site and your laborer will make consistent double batches of material in just 4 to 5 minutes, all day, every day. The risk of straining the laborer or compromising the integrity of the mix is eliminated. The system requires no electricity or pressurized water source, just a standard mechanical batch mixer. And as the job progresses, your masonry crew and mixing station follows, because all the SPEC MIX silo and bulk bags are transportable. This means no wasted sand piles or other materials. The SPEC MIX silo delivery systems offer real cost-saving advantages. Let's break the process down into simple steps to get an overview of how the SPEC MIX silo system works for you. Step 1. Erecting the SPEC MIX silo. To erect the silo on site, make sure the ground is dry, level, and compacted. With a 26-foot, 4,500-pound capacity standard forklift, insert the forks of the lift into the silo's fork pockets and raise the unit to the desired height. 4 heights are available. Step 2. Securing the SPEC MIX silo. Using the double leg pins attached to the frame, secure the upper silo assembly by sliding the leg pins into position. Then secure the pins with the safety hitch pins. Next, attach the slide gate handle in its place and get ready to load your SPEC MIX product into the silo. Step 3. Loading the SPEC MIX silo. The bulk bags are easily loaded into the silo by inserting the forks through the bag's reinforced loops. Once the bag is above the silo and in position, the laborer standing on the safety platform can release the bag's double discharge chutes. Step 4. Mixing with the SPEC MIX silo. After the silo is loaded with 4 to 5 3,000-pound bulk bags, place the batch mixer beneath the cone under the silo's boot. If needed, trim the length of the boot to the top of the mixer. To make product, add the desired amount of water to the mixer and pull back the silo handle to dispense the amount of material needed to achieve the preferred consistency. Any size batch can be made. Let the product mix 4 to 5 minutes to ensure complete hydration of all materials for optimal workability and board life. Step 5. Relocating the SPEC MIX silo. The silo is easily relocated on site to position your mixing station as close as possible to the work, maximizing job site efficiency. With the silo legs pinned in the up or down position, insert the forks of the lift into the silo's fork pockets. Then raise the silo and place it in the preferred location. Make sure the forklift is equipped to safely transport the silo and that the new terrain is dry, level, and stable. Always secure all leg pins and safety pins during transport. This SPEC MIX Silo Delivery Systems overview is intended to give you a basic understanding of step-by-step procedures used to operate the SPEC MIX silo in a safe manner on the job site. It is not intended to replace the detailed information provided in the SPEC MIX Silo Operations Safety Manual. It is important that the SPEC MIX silo operator fully understand the silo operating and safety procedures. For more detailed information on each subject, refer to the bilingual SPEC MIX Silo Operations and Safety Manual. This has been a SPEC MIX Silo Delivery Systems Overview. SPEC MIX, designed to keep you going, keep you moving, keep you working, every time.